So now, as you can see, car ready to get dyno tuned. Just pumping gas, and we're just trying to figure out a way to connect the aux cord because they want to listen to music the whole way there. Then we got my car back here, ready to go get the new ECU installed. Should be making really good power once the ECU is on there. And the reason why I have the aftermarket ECU on there is because I want to be more safe when running all this high horsepower. And on stock ECU, it's definitely doable. But you start running into reliability issues where the aftermarket ECU can definitely shine on there. So, like for instance, like if a car decides to overboost, the ECU will be, well, this aftermarket ECU would definitely be a lot more viable for that. Or when you drop oil pressure, the aftermarket ECU will know that, and it will either cut power or do something to try to save the motor. So if you guys are wondering, here it is. It's a 6466 with an 82 hot side, stage 2 tuff motor, along with GSC, voucher, and everything with S2 cams, and full ETS kit, IAG fuel rails, ID2 or FIC 2150s, and it even came with hot dogs. You don't know, mas. The twin turbo hot dogs. So today in the dyno room, check it out. We got the Supra today. Last time we had a GTR. We got the Supra. Woo, look at this. With the manual, mira nomás.
You don't want to be about that 3-day life.
That's a 3-day garage.
Oh, you know, you're already popping the hood.
Here, let me show you why. Once you see how it stools on a 35R, you'll be like, yeah, that's not worth it.
It's interesting that the exhaust only has 2 ports for the turbo. On that new Supra, the 2020.
Oh, yeah.
There we are. Just like that, we're ready to start making some power. Got it all strapped down, got the fans going. And like I said, today we're gonna be chilling next to the Supra and the Evo.
Right there's mine, I think.
ID 1300s, maybe.
6266.
See what it makes. We should be, let's see what I'm saying, this one should kill George's, which you saw in the last couple videos, but I guess we'll see. What did it make?
401.
401.
But less torque and less power.
Yeah, we're going down, bro.
It's going down a little bit.
Yeah, it was over.
But it's still a pretty linear power graph, as you guys can see. Keeps on pulling. We're barely at 16 pounds. So still plenty left on the table for pump gas.
I was telling you, dude. Like, you have to be like crouched.
Damn.
Damn, Jose, I think you're gonna get bugs on your forehead.
Bird. And then how the fuck you open this? Oh, man, this thing is sick though.
Oh, ready to make some power. How much power was that?
Look, yeah.
Holy shit, 520?
Look at this. You can see the flame in the bottom.
Alright boys, so right now Aaron just spoke with me and he was saying that he was only commanding, I think he said like 20% wastegate duty cycle. And as you see, it shot up to 29, but realistically it shot up to 27, which is what he wanted to do. He only wanted to hit like 21, 22 pounds. But shot up way up, so right now he's gonna do something to try and work with the boost control solenoid, see what's going on. I was thinking maybe like wastegate line popped up, but he was looking at it, everything checked out pretty good. So we'll stay tuned, but it made a lot of power, but we weren't trying to make that much power on pump gas.
All the way to like 70.
Yeah, see, 23 pounds of boost.
Yeah, told you.
Yeah, he said that to 7.3.
22.3 pounds of boost. We made 452 and 376 torque. It's pretty nice. So don't pay attention to the red one. Like I was saying, that one it spiked way up. But yeah, pay attention to the green one. 7,500 RPMs, which is really nice. And it looks like I'm starting to taper down, and that's pretty normal on a stock manifold. So, but we're making good power. $476.
I don't know. I think about the same.
At 390 torque.
No, I made 467.
You made 467?
Uh-huh.
Damn, he's gonna clap you with that 9 horsepower, bro.
I got more torque though.
So, just got our food. Having lunch date with the Supra and the Evo over there. We got 5 guys, as we normally do. Now we're just gonna wait here.
I'm waiting in the car.
Let's go eat in the car real quick. We're just gonna eat real quick and wait for AA Aaron to come back.
59.
So Jose's the red one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then blue today. Let me do this. Let me find boost. I took 1 more pound of boost to make 17 less horsepower.
Oh wow.
But some of that could be.
Because I remember you saying that like my fuel lines were all maxing out, everything.
Well, that was when we went to race gas.
Yeah.
Oh, that was even a cold day.
Yeah. Well, this one has a 64.
This has a 64.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's gonna be some of it.
$536.
He made more on pump.
436 torque. Just getting started. Holy shit. So 31 pounds. See right there? We made 595 at 490 torque. God damn. What's it?
Popped out.
Popped out.
All I heard is Jose got fucking clapped. Yeah, that's all I'm hearing.
Is that 634? Wow. Good job, Aaron. Holy shit, Aaron. Damn. So your car? Yeah, your car is still running. That's good news.
No smoke.
No smoke. No head gaskets blown.
that we know of.
But guess how much power I made right now?
How much? I need 600.
Yeah, it starts at the 6.
It starts at the 6.
Yeah, bro, it made 668.
How much?
668.
Oh my goodness. What the hell?
That's what I said. That's what I said.
God, that's it. No, we were waiting for. We were wanting like 600, bro.
Yeah, we just wanted 600, but
Actually, before I just wanted 450. But it pushed me. Let's go for 600.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
turn it right back down.
yeah.
Crazy, man.
Yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed the car, man. We're just gonna get off the dyno and
Yeah.
do our thing, but
You said it was 668?
yeah, 668, and the torque was like mid 5s or low 5s. 515 torque.
It's to about 6,000 RPM.
6,000 RPMs. He's gonna clap your cheeks over there.
Yep. Definitely clap some cheeks. 579. That's your kill tune. So if you guys were gonna race, like race, what I would do is tell him he has to shift at 6,500. He can't be a bitch.
Yeah.
And then just run it out.
Right.
That's crazy. So as you guys saw, this beast of a motor made 668 horsepower, which is insane out of a Subaru. But my battery on the camera is about to die, as well as the memory storage is about to be full. So that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. The rest of it will be on the street, doing some face reactions of everyone. That'll be pretty cool to see. But thank you guys again for watching. It's been a wild experience, especially this car making that much power. I've never seen it before, like especially on the stock lines and stuff like that. So it's pretty insane. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for the next video.